And let's be serious for a minute. If you're dealing with an RV the size of this, even though it has a ladder on the back, that doesn't help you with dealing with maintenance on the front, on the top, on the sides. And while you could try to crawl all over the roof of this thing, sometimes you just need to be able to get to it from the side or from the front, doing maintenance, doing repairs, doing upgrades, things like solar panels. Nunet did send this to me to test out and share with you because I have experience with these. That's where this ladder is going to be priceless to any of us camper van or RV owners. Start pulling this up. Make sure everything is locked into place. Now I can reach what I need to reach and fix what I need to fix. I don't have to try to crawl along 25 foot of this, risk damaging something else up there. I can get to exactly what I need to get to. So I've been able to use one of these to replace a couple of different ladders. And the great thing, of course, RVs, everything you have in there, RV, camper van, you need to maximize space. Being able to get this down much smaller, you can actually carry this with you pretty easily. So yeah, this thing is pretty well thought out.